Hi, Mokey. So, what do you want to play today? Well, how about my meditating? That sounds boring. Yeah. Come on, let's go play in the pool. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye. Mokey? Yeah, come on. You're very pretty. What? Thank you. Yeah. So you wanna get or something? Sure. This is a nice, quiet spot. Thanks, Gobo. You're welcome. I don't know how to say this. But what? But I've always sort of liked you. Really? Yeah. You're very pretty. And you sing really good. Hey. What's going on over there? Oh no. And you paint the best pictures. And you meditate really well. And Gobo? What are you doing here? Well, I just wanted to see what you were doing. Yeah. Well, Gobo likes me. Huh? Gobo, come back. Gobo? What? Are you alright? Not really. Well, I am feeling a little bit better now hearing you, though. Oh, no, Bo. Gobo. We're really sorry. Yeah, we didn't mean anything. Well, you all are my best friends. I forgive you. Good. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Mokey? Yeah, Gobo? I love you. I really do. Really? Mm-hmm. Gobo, that's the sweetest thing you ever said to me. Really?